Hi lovely people, you welcome back to my channel. This is girl Doc 6 once again, and today I'm gonna share with you my skincare routine because I've been having a lot of questions on my IG account, and people do ask what kind of facial cream that you're using, what kind of toner that I'm using, is there any serum, what cleanser that I'm using, and I feel like answering them individually isn't really helping because you may answer one person and then the next question will come again from a different person. So I felt like I needed to do a video to show all the product that I've been using, and the routine is very simple, it's very easy to follow, and the products too are very cheap, not too expensive. It's not even expensive. I'm not gonna say not too expensive. It's not expensive, and you can easily get access to this product wherever that you are. Okay. Alright guys, so before we jump into the product, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so for me so that we will become one family. And to my old subscribers, thank you very much for supporting me from day one till now. God bless you all and I love you. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the product now. The first item on my list is my cleansing bar, and I made this bars myself. So it contains a lot of oils which are very beneficial to my skin, and oils that suit my skin because I'm oily skin type and I'm prone to acne. So I selected oils and ingredients that would really benefit my skin. It contains moringa, it contains goat milk powder, it contains collagen powder, aloe vera gel, which I use in place of water, and what else, activated charcoal. I will leave a link down below in the description box, so if you know how to go about the cold process method soap making, then you can easily follow it and then make your own facial bar of soap. So after cleansing my face with the charcoal facial bar, the next thing that I apply on my face is Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade toner. And of course, I love this because it contains both glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Glycolic acid does help to exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cell which has accumulated on top of the skin to make way for new ones, and both glycolic and salicylic acid can improve skin tone and skin texture. But if you're somebody like me prone to acne and then oily, and then you are the oily skin type, then you can look out for product that contains salicylic acid. And of course, glycolic acid too is best for matured skin. It targets fine lines and then wrinkles. So in my case, I am benefiting from both ingredients, and one thing that you should know is that these ingredients, or these two ingredients, makes your skin sensitive to the sun, and of course you don't want to harm your skin. So if you're gonna be using this daytime, then you need to use a sunscreen, or you can decide to use this only in the evening, because that's how I've been doing it. I use this only in the evening, though I don't usually step out, I don't usually go out in the morning, but yet I use this in the evening so that I will have time to do what I have to do to my face. You understand this, right? And again, to avoid direct sunlight on my face or on my skin. So the next thing, after applying my Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade toner, the next thing that I put on top of it is my serum. That is the Pretty Cowry Vitamin C Facial Serum. It contains a lot of nutrients which are very beneficial to the skin, and of course when I got this initially I felt like it is too oily for my skin, but when I use it for a while I realized that I don't need much of it. Just a little bit amount, or just a little amount of it is okay for my skin, and it doesn't really add up. Before, when you start using it, it's gonna feel it's too thick, so you're gonna feel like it's too, there's too much oil in there. If you are oily skin type, you may feel like you don't want to use it, but when I use it for a while, I decided to just go with a little amount of it just to suit my skin. Okay, so it contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to bind water to the skin. It contains peptide, vitamin E, rose hips, green tea. It contains alpha hydroxy, one of the AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid, citric acid specifically. So if you're going to be using this daytime, then you need to use a sunscreen, as I said earlier on. And most of the ingredients or the active ingredients in this product actually doesn't make me want to use it daytime. That is why I normally use this in the evening. So after applying my vitamin C serum, the next thing that I put on top of it is my Goji berry facial cream. You know, sometimes I do wait for a while, or I may walk around, do other stuffs, and then within 10 or 15 minutes I apply my moisturizer or my facial cream on top of it. But there are times too that I just go ahead and then apply everything without wasting much time. So this is my facial cream, Goji berry facial cream with hyaluronic acid, retinol, and then some organic botanicals. It is paraben free, fragrance free, and I really love this facial cream because I am oily and no excess oil touches my face, and this doesn't feel that greasy type of facial creams. Is very light, and I do apply just a small amount of it, so this can last for like 6-7 months or so. And the smell of this cream is just amazing. I love the fact that it doesn't leave extra oils on my face, and even if I apply in large quantity, it doesn't feel that greasy type. And I really love the smell. It smells so good. It smells so good. But one thing that you need to take note of it is that this facial cream has different, there's a lot, how do I put that, they have different types of it. They have different types of it, and I think maybe I may put them on the screen so that you will know what I'm talking about. They have almost like 3-4 or so. I will get them and then put them on the screen so that you will see them. But the very one that I am using, is it Disa a Beauty Expert Anti-Aging Hydration Formula. You understand this? Yeah, so I'll put all the different types on the screen. I don't know why they have so many different types of it, but well, whatever. But this is the very one that I have been using, the Disa Beauty Expertise or something like that. Yeah, anti-aging hydration formula. Yeah, so I'll put it all on the screen for you. So thank you very much. God bless you all. I love you all, and bye bye.